A question we get a lot at the Technology and Learning Center is how to deal with the limitations of file size attachment in email. Whether your email host is Radford University or Gmail or whatever host you use, there's usually some fairly severe restrictions on how large file attachments can be. While we don't have any way of helping you boost your email attachment size, we do have a pretty nifty workaround that you might be interested in. This is a website called drop.io, and what drop.io does is allows you to, in a matter of about a minute, create what they call a simple private exchange point. What it is a tiny little space on the web of 100 megabytes or smaller where you can place any number of files adding up to 100 megabytes, and then you can share the URL to that space with anyone you wish. You can also password protect the space so that only folks you wish to be able to access it to download files can do so. It's a great service. It allows you to distribute, as I say, any type of file, 100 megabytes or less, and it also allows you to set a drop dead date, at which point the space no longer exists. So you're not creating a permanent website, and you don't even have to remember to go back and delete the files after you no longer want people to have access. I'll just show you briefly what you do to create the drop and how it works. You go to the site and you are immediately confronted with a four-step form, and in that form you simply type in the name of your new space. If you have any files you wish to add, you simply browse to them on your computer. You decide if you want to set a password for your space. The password you would share with anyone that you wanted to be able to download this file. How long you want this file share to last, and to what extent you want other people to be able to modify the space. Do you want them to be able to just simply view or download the file, be able to add additional files to the space, or view, add, and delete files? We'll say view only for now. Now we're ready, and I'll click drop it. You are also asked if you'd like to create an administrator password so that you can visit this space and either change the files that are stored there or perhaps even delete the space altogether. I usually will go ahead and create an admin password. And here is the space with the file that I selected to share. So now all I would have to do is send folks an email and say, if you need the file, visit this address and use the password that I provide you. And that would be the password you set up in the previous screen. That's all there is to it.